Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the filter section within the employee directory in KEBS. Once the user or HR team member navigates to the employee directory, he or she can view the names of all the employees within the organization in the landing page. The filter section can be used to apply filters and retrieve data based on condition. The user can check any filter and apply them. The user can then click the Apply Filters button, and the filters are applied and the data is retrieved based on condition. The user can clear the filter by either clicking on the Clear Config button present in the landing page or click on the Clear Filter option within the Filters tab. The user can also create their custom filters. This can be done by checking the filters needed and clicking on Create My Filter button. The user can enter a name for the filter, add a description, and save. The created filter can be accessed by clicking on the My Filters tab. The created filter can also be shared to another employee by clicking on the Share button and mentioning the name of the employee. Once done, the My Filter that is created is automatically landed to their My Filters section. The filter can also be edited and deleted. The order within the filters section can be changed by clicking on the Customize Filters option and rearranging the same. Once done, the order has been changed here. The Reset Filters option can be chosen to remove all the existing configurations and filters that have been applied within the application. Thank you for watching.